we are going to learn how we can create the curved text inside the Adobe Illustrator. As you must have seen this type of logos or monograms on the internet or in your design projects. So we are going to learn how we can create this curve effect to our text, and we will create the curvy text, and we will also make sure that the text remains editable in case you need to edit it later on. Okay, so that was just an example. What I'm going to do, I am just deleting this text and we are going to put our own text, and let's see how we can do that. First of all, we have to grab the text tool over here and let's draw a box. So for that purpose, what we need to do, we have to grab the circular shape, ellipse shape, and create a circle like this, right? And from here you can see the type tool. Grab the type tool and from here select the type on a path tool, because we are going to type on a path. This path can be a straight line, this path can be curved, this curve can be elliptical. So we are just keep the thing simple. We are going to take the circular shape and selecting the type on a path tool from here. Okay, now grab your tool and just click here on the edge of the circle, and let's type, I'm just type my channel name. Okay, and just increase the size from here, right? We can always adjust it as per our understanding. You can change the font, you can change the font color, right? And once you are satisfied, just you can rotate it and you can align at the center. As you can see that it is not perfectly aligned, so you can always reduce the size of the circular shape that you have drawn, right? And once again you can adjust the size. Okay, so as you can see that our text has been made curved. In order to make sure that your text is equalized from both sides, you can always draw a margin from here and you can rotate it just to make sure that it is equalized on both sides. Okay, right, now that was the circular text effect on the edge of the boundary at the outer side. What if we need to draw a text inside the boundary of the circular shape? Okay, because if you do the same procedure, you will not be able to write the text on the inner boundary. It will look something like this, and it is not always preferred. So what we need to do, just create a duplicate layer. Okay, I have created a duplicate layer by holding the alt key and just drag it. I am just locking this layer by using the shortcut Ctrl+2. Okay, now you can see that this vertical line here and these vertical lines here, so we have to just drag it on the lower side and you will see that your text has been placed on the inner boundary of the circle, right? You must have seen this on a different occasions. So that was a simple procedure to do that. We can write it curvy text and just align it once again. As this text is on the inner boundary, you can always scale it up. Just scale the shape up, and you can always reduce the size of the text. You can change the spacing, you can change the colors, you can change the shape, you can always make it elliptical, circular, straight line, these sort of things. You can always edit it. Let's go to align. You can change the color as well. So that was a simple tutorial of the curvy text. I hope you must have enjoyed it and will apply on your design projects.